40 days to thing. But after a little bit of work, a whole lot of patience, and a little bit of individual tweaking, now it's not a whole lot more off pace.